Are you looking for a meal to make tonight in 15 minutes? Hold on there. There's some things that you have to do first. Many meals can be made in 15 minutes, but you have to do some meal prepping, some batch cooking, and a French term, mise en place. So let me show you. Today we're going to make chicken teriyaki. But I've done some work ahead of time. Meal prepping. I've already prepped my rice for my dinner tonight. We did that this morning. Batch cooking. I made a whole chicken in the slow cooker, and I used all the other parts, and this was what was left. Mise en place. It means everything in its place. So I have my ingredients all set out for my sauce tonight. So let me show you. These are the ingredients for my teriyaki sauce. I have half a cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sherry wine, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, a garlic clove minced, and a half a teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I have my whisk candy, and so we're going to begin. And because I have everything all set out and measured out, then making my dish is really easy. I chopped my ginger and my garlic this morning and put it in the refrigerator before I left for my day's activities. I measured everything out. Now I could have went ahead and made the sauce, which is what I would normally do. But I wanted to show you. So my sauce is ready. I'm going to add a touch of oil to the pan. It's about a half a teaspoon. Okay, so I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to let that heat up. I'm going to add my chicken. I'm looking for the sauce to become thick. I'm just covering everything with a little bit of sauce. Spooning it right over the top. I'm going to go ahead and flip everything over. Now, you can use bigger pieces of chicken, but this was the last of my slow cooker chicken, So I went ahead and used that. You can use chicken thighs. If you wanted to cook this from scratch on your dinner night, then you would need to cook the chicken with the skin on it for 15 to 20 minutes. And the chicken thighs would help it retain its moisture if you use that piece of chicken. But I like to be able to use what I have in my cooking. So I use what's available. And these are some small pieces, but I'm going to mix them up with my rice and the sauce. And that's sort of the way they do it at the Japanese restaurant, which suits me fine. So there's some chunks in here and some smaller pieces. It's important that when you have a busy night that you do some meal prepping ahead of time, some batch cooking, and make sure that all your ingredients are in place. That way you can come right in and whip up a quick dinner in 15 minutes. For a side for my 15-minute meal, I'm going to add a salad. And this is included in the 15 minutes. Just a few minutes to chop up some veggies. And now my salad is ready, and all I have to do is plate everything up. And here you have our 15-minute chicken teriyaki, courtesy of meal prepping, batch cooking, and mise en place. Mini meals can become 15-minute meals by using these strategies: meal prepping, batch cooking, and mise en place. If 15-minute meals are something you'd like to have in your life, then subscribe to my channel and check out my playlist. This is Jackie from Motherwize, and remember, dinner's at 6.